Hi everybody, Patrick here from Engineering Shock Electronics, engineeringshock.com, and this is the Epoch Learning Center, Project 19, Hard Reset with Analog Pins. Now there's a bunch of different ways to reset the Arduino, but I'm going to show you a fun way today. And it might not sound like fun, but it is, trust me, it's a good project. It's not overly complicated, and it's a valuable lesson to learn if you ever want to cause a function in your software to cause an actual hard reset. For this, what we need is a jumper. We're going to connect the MIC pin, the microphone pin, to the A0 pin on chip A by shorting this 2-pin header right here. We are going to connect the A5 pin on chip A to the RST pin on chip A, the reset pin. Now this pin is pulled to 5 volts through a 10k ohm resistor, and so when we press the button, the reset button, it acts to pull that line to 0 volts, which causes a hard reset of the chip. However, we're going to use software to do the exact same thing with one of our analog pins. The last thing we need to do is turn on LCD-P, the LCD power pin on this dip switch. Just push to the left, and all of the quick connect LCD pins, A4 through A9 on chip A. It's just a quick connect to the GPIO pins 4 to 9 on chip A, and that's all we need to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to power it up right now, and what's going to happen is there's just going to be a nice counter on the LCD, and it's just going to keep counting. Now the value in software is called the integer is called counter. It's actually a long variable, which is essentially an integer with much more storage space. It can hold millions. So this will just keep counting and keep counting until you're being too loud, resetting. And after 5 seconds, it causes a hard reset, which starts the program over and over again. Now you can play with the level of volume you need to cause a reset. I'm obviously not talking quietly right now. I could make it so that a drop of a pin would cause a hardware reset, but I'm making it so that you need to literally go, ah! to cause a hardware reset. Now this is a very simple project, but check out the code. Play around with it. I'll say it again, and I keep saying it, is the best way to learn is experiment. You can't just copy the code over and expect that you're going to learn something. You're going to need to play with some of the variables and of the code, make it your own. So thanks for watching. This is a very simple video. Check out the code at the project page, the Kickstarter link below, and that'll be available to everybody until the Kickstarter ends, at which point it will be password protected and given only to those who pledge towards the Arduino Epic. Thanks for watching, and have a great weekend, everyone.